Hello students, in this video we have additional exercise problem 5.22 of chapter 5. The question is, a monoenergetic 18 keV electron beam initially in the horizontal direction is subjected to a horizontal magnetic field of 0.04 Gauss. Normal to the initial direction, estimate the up or down deflection of the beam over distance of 30 centimeter. So let us first try to understand the situation. Consider a beam of electron going horizontally, and then let us apply horizontal magnetic field which is going inside the uh, plane of the screen. Now if you apply right hand thumb rule, you realize that apply the formula F is equal to QV cross B, and you will see that as the electron enters the field, because of the negative charge, it will experience force in downward direction, and again if you apply the formula, you will see that it will retrace the path back like this. So the point here is that the circular path traced by the electron will have some radius of curvature, let it be r. So if you consider some horizontal distance, say x, we say that at x distance the particle will have some upward deflection, very small, let it be d. So how much is the upward deflection? That is the question. This is what we are asked to find out. As the particle goes, as it travels, this is applicable here also, in this part also. If you consider 30 centimeter distance, for now we label it as x, we can see that there is some deflection downward. So how much is this deflection? That is what we are asked to find out after traveling 30 centimeter. The moment you increase x value, the d value will also increase. So this is the question, and how to solve it. So first what we should do is we should try to find out radius value. Why radius value? Because if I consider the circle, and now let us consider the radius r. Now if you have x value known, say if I know x value, can I find out y value? Somehow if we can calculate r, and if x is available, we should be able to find out y. Once you find out y, we should be able to calculate d, which is point of interest. Okay, we want d. So once you have y, r minus y will give you d, deflection. Okay, so our steps will be, we will first find out r, secondly we will calculate y, then we will come to know about deflection. How to find out y? Sorry, r. So we know that for particle moving in magnetic field, F is equal to QVB sine theta. In this case, the two are perpendicular, and hence theta is 90, sine 90 is 1. So it is QVB. Okay, and as it is tracing circular path, it has to be mv square by r is equal to QVB. So I can say that r is equal to mv by QB. Okay, let it be equation 1. So with this we will get radius of curvature of the path, provided we have all these terms. What is m here? M is mass of electron. We are supposed to know that. Q is charge of electron, and B is the applied magnetic field. I think it is given, applied field is 0.04 Gauss. So this is B. This is B value. Now the point is, how do we find out V? So for V, we are given that the kinetic energy is 18 keV. So what we can do is, we can use this formula, half mv square. Kinetic energy is half mv square. So 18 keV convert into joule, and then mass of electron and v square. Okay, so you have only one unknown here, v. Find out v. So second equation will give you v. Substitute in first, find out r. So one step is over. Secondly, what we want to find out y. So what to do? So then use this formula, r square is equal to x square plus y square. So what is y is equal to? It is under root r square minus x square. Once you have y, you can use d is equal to r minus y and that is your final answer. Okay, so once again let us have a look at steps. Very first thing you have to do is find v of electron. How? Equation 2. Then find radius of curvature. How? Equation 1. Next, find out y component. How? Equation 3. Let this be equation 3. And lastly, you will get deflection. Find deflection. How you will find out equation deflection? Use equation 4. Okay. Be careful about the units, and that is all about this problem. Thank you.